Hey guys, so we're going to be doing another SipsBy box. I got the month of February right here, and we're going to see what kind of teas we got. So stay tuned and I will show you which ones we got. Let's try this again. I don't know how, and I don't know why, and I don't even want to think about it right now. But I went over my entire box for SipsBy for February, put it all back. Even explained 2 months ago tea, which is what I'm currently drinking actually. And you guys missed all of it. Well, here we go, now that I'm done pouting about it. Alright, so back in the same order we started. I'll even throw the bad choke back in. I need these to move so I can read. Okay, this guy is called Lulu. You put 1 teaspoon of this bad boy in some 8 ounces of water at 212 degrees. I didn't say it like that last time, but it's okay. Alright, so this brand we have seen before. I was saying that I think it was the Bellini tea that I had. Ma'am, you're being very rude. Can you get off my bags, please? Get up there. You were also in the video last time. Yeah. Alright. So this guy right here, it's a chocolate flake tea with white cocoa splits. I'm not sure what that is. Cinnamon, apple bits, caramel bits, almond bits. Random flavor, it doesn't say what it is. And then saffron petals. It contains nuts and dairy as a disclaimer. This one you're going to put in for about 4 minutes. Hi. And it should give you quite a few different servings of tea. Alright, next one is this guy. I couldn't read it last time, so this time it is a single packet of tea. You get 2 of these. Will you do you want to... Okay, is it kitty approved? It is? Okay. So this is a blood orange tea. It is the blood orange boost tea specifically from David's... Will you stop it? Will you stop it? Alright, so this has 0.3 ounces of tea in it, or 8 grams if you weigh it on a gram scale. Ornery little turkey. Ornery little turkey. You're going to make this video longer this time, I swear. Alright, so you do it for about 3 to 4 minutes at about 185 degrees Fahrenheit, or 85 degrees Celsius. Man, you stop. Turkey butt. She is bored. That is what she is. Okay, so this one, like I was saying, it has apples, green tea, hibiscus, natural blood orange flavoring, orange peel, rosemary, roasted sugary root, and the gamba green tea, olive leaves, and stevia extract. This is where I was explaining 2 months ago tea. This one doesn't need sugar. No, just like... Ew. This one doesn't need sugar. Why? Because they're both made with stevia. And what is stevia? Natural sugar from a plant. Not sugar cane, but yeah. So these ones have sweet sugar notes at the end of your tea, so you're going to be like drinking your tea, you taste the tea, and then all of a sudden, sugar. Yeah. Sorry, I'm still annoyed. So, digging into our stash of tea, we have stash tea. Bad joke insert here. So, where is it? Where's the tea? Ah. This is a spiced dragon red chai. It's for the rooibos. It's R-O-O-I-B-O-S. It is also known as red tea. It is a plant from South Africa. They say it. I don't know that. They say it. Alright, so it has cloves, ginger root, and sweet cinnamon to create a unique caffeine-free sweet and spicy chai. So, chai tea. Good with milk. Alright, and last but not least, the thing I need the most, sleep. It's like they listen, and I don't ever have to tell them. Missy, will you stop eating my yoga mat? That is not your yoga mat to eat. Stop it. Alright, so this guy is cute because it's simple and it's plain, like nothing fancy, just literally shows you pictures of what's in there. So this is a chamomile, honey, and lavender tea with passion fruit. They included that right there. Alright, so it contributes to normal sleep. So this is a Hamad tea from London. So this is a London brand tea. It's got this cute little picture on the back. Shows you how many easy steps of 3 how to make your tea. This little guy here, it's got chamomile, lemon balm, passion flowers, because, you know, of course that's included. Peppermint, lemongrass, natural flavoring. Not sure why they're not labeling what that is. Lemon verbena, linden flower, lavender flowers, and of course honey. I was saying, because it is a caffeine-free tea, minus the honey factor, this would be good for little kids as a help for sleep aid if they're just super rambunctious and you need them to take a nap. My parents gave me chamomile tea, I swear, on a daily basis, on a regular basis, sometimes in the middle of the day. Do not recommend in the middle of the day unless you're planning on taking a nap. Unless it doesn't affect you, like some people. But chamomile and lavender both help calm you down. So does like 99% of everything I listed a few seconds ago. So, yeah. So just make sure it's okay for your kids. Sleepy time in a bottle. Alright. Now that we have ended all that, most of these are 8 ounce. Actually, scratch that. All of these are 8 ounce fluid ounces for what you need for water. They all range in about 185 to 212 degrees for the water temp. So basically it goes from like kind of boiling to actually more boiling. So that's basically what you would need. All of these teas are good between 3 to 5 minutes for steeping, so if you're on the go, that's not a big deal. However, you can do what I did, where you take your cup of tea, you boil yourself some water, you stick it in there, you walk around your house for about 20 minutes, feed the dogs, make sure they have their medication, come back, warm tea. Not hot tea, but warm tea. Still tastes good. I made the mistake, though, of actually putting sugar in the bottom of this. And I didn't stir it. So when I get to the bottom of it, it's gonna be sweet. Yeah, it's gonna be sweet. Alrighty. I'm thoroughly annoyed with the whole situation. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and had a good laugh, at least with my frustration. So I will see you on the next video, and I will talk to you guys there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and find me on Instagram. See you then.